Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add text over image on hover in your Elementor page. You can see I have these images on my page, but when you hover over it, you can see the text appears here. To add this functionality into your Elementor page, let's go to your Elementor editor. So here is my Elementor page. Keep in mind that in this tutorial I am going to use Elementor Pro, because I will use some CSS codes and you are unable to add CSS codes in Elementor free. I am not using any third-party plugin for this. That's why I will use here some CSS codes. So let's go end of this page. Here I will create a new section and in it I will select 3 columns. Now I will go to section settings and from height I will make it to fit to screen. Now I will go to this column settings, style, and here in background color I will change its background color to black. Now I will click on this plus button and I will drag an inner section here. You can see Elementor not adding inner section there. So what I will do, I will drag this inner section into a new section. Now I will copy this column from here, copy it and paste it in this middle column. Now delete this column. Now here you can see in the middle column you have 2 different columns. I will delete one of them and now I will go to outer one settings and in style I will change its background color to black. Now I will go to inner section settings and here I will change its height to minimum height. Now I will click on this plus button and add an heading. Now you can see this heading appears in the top of page. So I will edit the column, and in the horizontal alignment I will make it center and in the vertical I will make it middle. Now you can see the heading appears in the middle of the page. Now I will edit the heading and change the text. I will type call us. Now I will make it center aligned. In style I will change its color to white. Now I will go to menus and drag an text editor. Now I will change the text here, paste your text here. Now you can see I have added this phone number here. I will align it to center. Now I will go to style and now I will change its color to white. Now you can see it was appeared like that. Now what I will do, I will add background image. So I will go to this outer section and here under color you can see the image section. Click on it. I will select this image from my media library and I will click on insert. Now you can see this image in background. Now I will change its size to cover. Now it will appear like that. Now I will go to border and add border radius of 25 pixels. Now I will go to advanced and here I will add 25 pixels of margin, or I think 18 pixels is perfect. Yeah, 18 pixels is perfect. Now I will go back to style and in background overlay I will click on classic and select R dark black color and I will select black color and I will change its opacity to 0.55. Now you can see it was appeared like that, but here you don't have any hover functionality. For this style I have to show image first and when you hover over it then the text appears. So for this I will add a CSS class. So I will go to this inner section setting, go to advanced and here in custom CSS I will type selector, press tab and add brackets, press enter. Now I will add opacity, I will add 0, add semicolon and press enter. Now I will add transition, I will make it 0.5 S, which means second, and I will change and I will add some animation like ease in out. I will type ease dash in dash out. Now add semicolon and now add another class. Now I will type selector, add colon, and I will type over. Now add brackets. Now I will add opacity 1. Add semicolon here. Now I am done with this code. Now you can see when you hover over this image, you can see the text appears here. The hover setting was completed, but you can see the image has an overlay. So what I will do, I will go to first column settings, and here I will go to background overlay, and in the opacity of on normal state I will make it 0. Now you can see the clear image, and on hover I will add background overlay color, this color, and I will change opacity to 0.56. Now I will change transition to 0.5. Now when you hover over it, you can see text appears like that. Now I am done with style. Now I will add 3 images there. So what I will do, I will duplicate this column. Now I will duplicate it again and delete these empty columns. Now my design was ready. Now I will just change the contents. So I will go to this second outer column settings, go to style, and I will change the image. I will select this image and click on insert. Now you can see it was appear like that. Now I will change this text and I will change title to email us, and then I will change the text and add email here. I will add a dummy email. Now go to third one, click on outer columns and go to settings, style, and change the image. I will select this image and click on insert media. Now I will change the heading. I will type visit us, and instead of this number I will add address here. So I will select this text and paste your address. Now the content was ready. Just what I will do, I will align it in the middle of the content. So I will delete first this column, and now I will go to section settings, fit to screen. I will make it min height. Now I will drag this section and place it here. Now it was appeared like that. Now I am done with that, so I will update the page. Now the page was successfully updated. I will preview it on live site, so I will click on this I button to preview the changes. So here is your page. Scroll down, here you can see your images. When you hover over it, you can see the text appeared on there. That's how you can add text over images on hover in Elementor. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and also share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.